Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Madic from Tangem wallet to Bitrue in 2025. If you're looking to move your Madic tokens smoothly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything. First things first, let's cover the basics. You'll need a Tangem wallet set up with some Madic tokens, and a verified Bitrue account ready to receive them. Make sure you're on the Polygon network, as Madic operates there for faster, cheaper transfers. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app on your device. If you haven't already, unlock it using your PIN or biometric security. Once inside, navigate to your wallet dashboard and select the Madic token from your asset list. It's usually labeled as Madic for easy spotting. Next, hit the Send or Transfer button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Bitrue account, go to the deposit section, and copy the Madic deposit address. Paste that address carefully into the Tangem wallet send field. Pro tip: always verify the address starts with the correct prefix to avoid any mishaps. Now, enter the amount of Madic you want to send. Don't forget to check the network fees. Aim for a balance between speed and cost. Review all the details one last time, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so go ahead and approve it. Once sent, keep an eye on your Tangem wallet for the transaction status and head back to Bitrue to see when it arrives. It might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your Madic. In 2025, with evolving tech, always stay updated on wallet and exchange interfaces. If you run into any issues, reach out to support or double-check your steps. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.